afternoon to our baby egg and our little caterpillar families. Today we are doing our experiment through our emotional intelligence program, our calming bottles and our sensory balloons, using rice and balloons and glitter with our tubes.
So let's get started. We're going to show you how to make them. You can use, we've just got these plastic tubes, but you can use a drink bottle if you have one at home. So just start with the tube, plain water. So just fill up your tube a little bit, probably about halfway full. And then you can add some sequences. We just get these sequences from TimeOut. I can get it open. So just pop a few into the bottle. You can use some different colors. So there's that. Some more sequences here. Add them in, little teddies. Add that in. Becomes exciting when they've got something to look for in the bottle. Alrighty, so we've just got this glue from TimeOut that we're going to add in to the bottle. Just add a little bit for the time being. And then we're going to fill up the rest of the bottle with some water. And Sam here is going to give it a bit of a shake around.
Shake, shake. Pretty exciting. And our children absolutely adore this. It helps them to calm down through their emotional stages here at TimeOut Educare.
You can add a bit of food dye to them as well, like such. This one has a bit of food dye in it, so you can add that in. But you've got to let the glue sit for a little bit, and then they will slowly make their way down the bottle. So that's those.
Now onto our next activity. We also have our calming balls that it's done with balloons and a bit of rice that you can purchase at your Coles or your grocery shops. This is really easy and something that's great to help with your children that are going through a bit of a emotional stages, help them calm, a bit of a stress relief. Their children absolutely adore them here at the centre. And gives them a sense of security, really. So Tash is going to help me. We're going to grab a balloon.
Yep.
We're going to place a funnel. If you haven't got one, obviously anything that works to get the rice into the balloon.
Just like that.
Yep. And I'm just going to slowly pour the rice into the funnel, watching the balloon to expand.
There we go. Oh!
Making sure
we don't fill it up too much. But that's all right. Just let that rice go out. There we go.
And just placing a nice tight knot into it so the rice does not come out. So we've got nice calming sensory balls.
So rolling, punching.
If you have any other questions, please come and call the centre and we can assist you with this. Have a great afternoon.
Bye.
Bye.